Like all struggling YouTubers, I occasionally find myself standing in the rain, looking to the sky, and screaming to the algorithm god, "What do you want from me?" Like most gods, the algorithm doesn't answer directly. Instead, the algorithm's oracles tell us that it doesn't like it when we don't focus on one kind of content. It's too confusing for our viewers. Hence, I infer why my attempts to emulate the Linuses, Davids, and many Steves of YouTube haven't garnered quite the audience I'd hoped. Well, in lieu of a direct line to the algorithm itself, I've decided to follow this advice. For those of you who enjoy my PC-based content and want to see more, would you kindly follow the link on screen now and subscribe to my new channel, Iceberg Tech. Here I shall be releasing videos covering budget PC builds, video game benchmarks, and all sorts of silly PC-related nonsense. I've been Not Important. Thank you so much for your attention.